Hello, hello, hello. This is T. McNeil from McNeil Luxury Travel, coming to you from the Hotel Lungarno, where I have to show you the best part first because this view is really stunning. You have to book this room. This is a deluxe double room with a king-size bed and a view of not only the Arno River, but also of the Ponte Vecchio. So this is a room that I think sells itself. Like, you really don't have to do much to have a good time in this room. Now, granted, most people who come to Florence, they're not spending a lot of time in their room anyway, but this is the kind of room where you want to have a nice morning with your coffee and your significant other, where you're relaxing on the terrace. So this is a king-size bed, nicely appointed with pretty much everything that you need right here at your fingertips. Coffee and tea station right here. And then you've got some snacks down here. A little desk if you must work. If you must. And then the bathroom. Bathroom's pretty compact, but what's nice about it is you have a combination shower and tub for the soaking people. And then you've got a single sink with Ferragamo amenities. And then, as always, your toilet and your bidet. A beautiful heated towel rack. So I would say this is a really great option if you're not trying to ball on a budget or anything, but you just want a nice size room with a great view. And, this really is all you need. So once again, Hotel Lungarno, and this is the deluxe double with the Ponte Vecchio and Arno River view.